Eggs Benedict is a popular breakfast or brunch dish that consists of two halves of an English muffin, each topped with a poached egg, Canadian bacon or ham, and hollandaise sauce. The dish is often garnished with herbs or other ingredients. The exact origin of Eggs Benedict is somewhat uncertain, and there are a few competing theories. One popular story attributes the creation of the dish to a New York City banker named Lemuel Benedict. According to this tale, in 1894, Benedict ordered a hangover cure at the Waldorf Hotel, which consisted of toast, bacon, poached eggs, and hollandaise sauce. The hotel's chef, Oscar Cherky, was impressed with the combination and added it to the menu, replacing the toast with an English muffin. Another theory suggests that Eggs Benedict originated in the late 19th or early 20th century at Delmonico's, a famous restaurant in New York City. In this version, Chef Charles Ranhofer is said to have created the dish for a regular customer, Mrs. Legrand Benedict. While the true origin may be unclear, Eggs Benedict has become a classic and beloved breakfast or brunch item enjoyed